In this segment, we're going to be installing a hard drive. Now if you look, this is a SATA drive, and if you look right here, this is the power connector, and this one right here is the data connector. So we're just going to slide this into the slot, and we're going to line up the screw holes, and we'll just take some screws and turn them in and mount it. You want to make sure you get it into the right hole. Now that the hard drive is nice and mounted, we're going to connect the power connector, which you can see right there. And that's another one that sometimes you want to feel a little response from it, some feedback. And we now have our SATA cable, which is right here, and we'll connect one end to the motherboard and the other end to the hard drive itself, and that's how you install a hard drive.